The filter sheet is another variation of the results sheet, except all of the data columns can be used as the basis for the sort order. For example, it is possible to sort based on the number of beds rather than price. In the example shown, I have selected to sort the data based on property size, highest to lowest. The user can select any data column and any sort order that suits their analysis. The links to real estate listings and property profiles exists in the same way as it does on the results sheet. An additional column called street name is added so that properties in the same physical location can be more easily identified. The Rankings tab is the next in the series. In some cases, the data is only available for the top 4,400 most populated centres in Australia. There are over 15,000 locations, but most are far too small to be of any substantial interest. Real estate websites rarely calculate a median price for any area where they have less than 10 sales in the period being analysed, so they are omitted for that reason alone. The data used in the rankings is refreshed quarterly or as the market trends would deem necessary. The first three columns are based on market data taken from the median prices of actual sales for the preceding 12 months and ranked by location in order of price, highest to lowest. The data is listed for houses and townhouses, units and apartments, and vacant land and are Australia-wide. The fourth column is the suburbs ranked in order of price, but only for the state chosen on the selection sheet. The right-hand side of the sheet has two separate columns. One is a list of suburbs showing what can be referred to as locations to watch, and is a list of suburbs for the selected state with the greatest variation in prices quoted as a percentage. The percentage calculation is the average of median house prices in each month over a 13-month period, divided by the lowest monthly median price in the same period. The last column is an estimate of potential growth based on median prices of 3 months prior to current median prices. The calculation is made using Excel's forecast function, which is best described in Excel's documentation, but can be described as the forecast equals X by times Y's known and by times X's known. The parameter X is the current median house price for the selected suburb. Known Y's are the range of current median house prices for the whole of the selected state, and known X's are the range of median house prices from 3 months prior to the whole of the selected state. Please take into consideration that these estimates cannot be guaranteed. They are purely estimates, and there can be no reliance that past performance can be used as an indicator of future performance.